5 Best Vacuum for Thick Carpet and Pet Hair Reviews. Number 1. Soniclean Soft Carpet Upright Vacuum Cleaner. You're probably not surprised that a Soniclean makes the top as best vacuum for thick carpet and pet hair. Its ultra-soft brush roll does a great job on soft-style carpets without leaving any dirt. In terms of weight, the Soniclean vacuum is one of the lightest full-size upright bagged models available currently, weighs in at just 10.4 pounds. The unique adjustable vent system helps to pull and push on thicker and softer carpets. By closing the vent, it works well on hard floors and can do a decent job on low-pile carpet. It also picks the pet hair most effectively. This vacuum has a bar on the bottom that vibrates 200 per second to loosen the dirt on the carpet. It enhances the deeper cleaning performance. Soniclean equipped with a digitally controlled motor which allows 2 cleaning modes. Number 2. Miele Complete C3 Vacuum. Not all the vacuum available in the market doing the cleaning performance effectively on both thick carpet and pet hair. However, Miele Complete C3, an exception vacuum that provides effective cleaning performance on thick carpet and pet hair. It also works well in delicate floors. This vacuum equipped with an electrobrush that helps to move through the soft carpet easily. It picks up dirt and gunk effectively and delivers a long-lasting, beautiful carpet. Thanks to its floorhead that can handle all smooth floors. The double swivel neck of floorhead helps to rotate 180 degrees and makes the cleaning process easier. The bristle is so soft that make it perfect for cleaning delicate floors. The Miele Complete C3 designed with a 1200W Vortex motor that increases the power efficiency by selecting the power level. Number 3. Oreck Magnesium RS. This Oreck Magnesium RS costs a little more than the Soniclean, and what it brings to the table is incredible suction power. The unit HEPA filter captures 99.97% dust and allergens at 0.3 microns from the air. Its slim swivel design allows you to maneuver into tight corners. There is wireless quick switch as well, which let you decide to select the right power level depending on the floor surface. It comes with a high-performance motor that spins at 7,000 revolutions per minute to deliver an outstanding cleaning environment. Thanks to its EnduraLife belt that protects the motor from the unexpected jams. This vacuum does a great job on cleaning any floor from long pile carpet to hard floors. With the lightweight upright and the LED light attachments, it's almost a pleasure to suck down dark areas and tight corners. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 630. We would normally have ranked the iRobot Roomba above the Soniclean because it self-adjusts to all type floors including carpets, tile, hardwood, laminate, and cleans just as well. The reason we moved it down to the bottom of our best vacuum for thick carpet and pet hair top 7 lists is that all the people don't like a robot vacuum. But iRobot Roomba collects amazing amount of dirt, dust, pet hairs and other debris with its 3 stages cleaning system. It comes with a spinning side brush that helps to loosen the dirt and debris. The counter-rotating brush works as a dustpan and broom that collect the debris from the floors. Finally, the dust and hair are sucked by the powerful AeroVac vacuum. If you don't have time to clean your floors but the cleaning floor is important for you, then the iRobot Roomba could be a good option to explore. Number 5. Hoover WindTunnel Pet. Are you looking for an upright vacuum that can clean carpets as well as pet hair? The Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Pet Vacuum features with an air-powered pet hand tool that cleans the pet hair effectively with the help of rolling brushes and rubber blades. An 8 feet long stretches hose is attached with the hand tool that helps to clean pet hair from hard-to-reach areas, crevice or stairs. It's easy to use, and does a great job on most types of flooring without leaving any dirty messes. Its 5-position height adjustment allows you to clean thick carpet to hard floors. The company claims that the HEPA filter will collect 99.97% of dirt and allergens, that pesky 0.03%, which makes sense because the filter capable of capturing the dust at 0.3 microns. Hoover WindTunnel comes with a system check indicator that let you know when the filter needs to be checked or cleaned.